Hey, what's going on, working class hustlers? La Machine here, and I want to talk about something that's so important. It is, in my opinion, the most important skill you can develop if you're going to sell on Amazon using the arbitrage business model. It doesn't take long. The purpose is to motivate you, because once you unlock this skill, oh my God, literally the world opens up to you. What as far as the Amazon platform and even beyond, because once you develop this skill, you just understand how business works, how commerce, e-commerce and everything works. And with that understanding, you can do whatever you want when it comes to buying and selling. Now, as you can see behind me, I'm at the Twin Waters Resort. That's actually down in kind of like Southwest Florida. Captiva Island is where it's at. And for those of you who are interested, after this short video, I'm going to actually show you a little bit about the resort in case you're interested. And the reason I like to do that is because, hey, we're out here talking about making money all the time, but we need to talk some about what do you do with the money, right? I mean, are we just stacking it up, right? We want to live a little. So I'm on vacation. But here, let's walk over to the beach and I can talk about exactly what this skill is and get on with it. So as I was saying, this is the Twin Waters Resort. The resort is over there. We're headed over here to the beach. And it doesn't take long to get here at all from the resort. Really close to the ocean. All right, hustler. So here's the deal. The most important skill that you can develop is sourcing products. That is it. Number one, it's pretty simple, guys. So we don't have to spend a lot of time on this. This is what's great. Get motivated and go get that money, because once you develop that skill, it's over. But the point is this: your inventory is the lifeblood of your business, and your inventory is dynamic, especially with arbitrage. It's always changing. We talked about the reasons in other videos. You can watch those, but you have to be able to source. Now, how do you source? Well, there's different ways. You can go to the stores, you can scan, you can use software. We talk about, like, I use tactical arbitrage. You can get creative. You can go to different places and find inventory. Here's one that you may not have thought of. There are people that do extreme couponing. And you know what they do? They post what they have for sale in groups like Facebook and things of that nature. And you can really do well. I have done really well with that. In fact, I need to get back into that. But this is so important, especially for the newbies. Listen to what I'm about to tell you if you're a newbie. When you first get started, it is going to seem like you cannot sell anything. When I say anything, I mean anything. Everything that you swing at, you're going to miss. You got to keep swinging, guys. You got to keep swinging. It's worth it. But when you develop that skill of how to source products, it's gonna change your life. I believe in it so much, and guys, you know I've been talking about this on this channel since 2017, but I believe in it so much, we actually have a private group. It's not open, so I'm not trying to get you to join, but you know, I enjoy getting it together with the group, especially with the newbies, and every week, literally every week, just sourcing together so that we all walk away with actionable items that we can go out and source. Guys, it's just, I can't express it enough. Once you develop that skill, man, just the world literally opens up. So remember, the main point of this video, the most important skill that you can develop when selling on the Amazon platform, particularly using the arbitrage business model, is learning how to source. Now, we've got videos about that. We're going to continue to put videos out about that. So for that reason, you really need to subscribe to the channel. When you do that, you're going to be, I mean, you already know, you subscribe so that you don't miss the content as we put it out. But you got to understand, you want to do it for bigger reasons than that. What we're doing when you subscribe to this channel, we're exchanging value to one another. You guys, if you follow this channel, you know I do this just because I get something out of helping people. This is what I do, okay? But I'm asking you to give as well. I'm asking you to give your time, which is your most valuable asset. You can't get that back. I'm asking you to give it to me. I'm asking you to pay attention. So it is a wonderful exchange. For this reason, I really, really encourage you to subscribe. If you got any value out of the video, give it a thumbs up. But now let's take a look at the resort. And again, this is to encourage you, to show you that, hey, it's not just about buying and selling, buying and selling. Yeah, you want to make money. Why? If you're like me, maybe you like to travel. It's nice to be able to jump on a plane, go down to Florida, and enjoy a week. So let me show you what the resort looks like. It's not all that big, which is great in my opinion, but here. So if you look straight ahead, that is where we came from. But you could actually follow this around, and you can come in another entrance that's right around the corner here. Show you a little bit of stuff. So this is the other entrance, and you can see you've got the old Captiva house, the Shipyard restaurant, and the Crow's Nest Steakhouse. Those would be right here. You can see the old Captiva house. You can see the Crow's Nest and the Shipyard restaurant. Very nice restaurants. There's a pizza place right around the corner there. Now I want to head back over. Now what you'll notice is you got registration. We're going to go past that, but you'll notice you can rent these little like cabins style, or you can rent more of the kind of like hotel style. Okay. So like this is actually the cottage that I'm staying in. There's the registration office where you check in at, and again, there's more of the hotel style. You got some real little cabins if you want that, but this is the cottage that I stayed in. There's another little one. And so right from my cottage, you could do these types of activities, your water sports activities. You got your kayak, your stand-up paddle boards, surfing lessons, guided beach walks, things of that nature. You got your little Tween Waters Marina kind of gift shop if you want to do stuff like that. This will take you to where you got your bar and your pools. The bar isn't open just yet, but you got two pools. You got your pool over there. This is kind of like the bigger pool. And then you have what they call the Serenity pool over here. This is more for the mature crowd. That's more my style. So you got your Serenity pool, then you got your other pool, and you also have where you can get yourself something to eat, drink, stuff like that. Little games you can play if you're into things like shuffleboard. They do have a spa. So this is your spa and gym. If you want to get your nails did, stuff like that. You've got the gym if you want to use that. There's the bar for the Serenity pool. That one wasn't open for the time that we've been here. Actually, if you look up top there, you actually have a pickleball court. It's up over the top. I don't know if you can see that. This is the machine you can get your towels out of. Just put your room card there and that opens up. Get as many towels as you need. So let's take a look inside. You come in, you've got an enclosed seating area, screened off. Got a kitchen dining area. You got your stove, microwave, refrigerator, got your living room, you've got one bathroom here, then you come into the master bedroom. That actually has egress there. You got a closet here. And you've got, let's see. So you come into the master bath and you got dual shower heads there, dual controllers there. That's your floor, that's your ceiling, and that's your bathroom. You got a room there, and then you got a room here. All right, hustlers, I hope you got some value out of this video. And if so, please do us a favor. Hit that like button, make sure you share, and also subscribe to the channel if you're not already. And also let us know what you think about this type of content that goes beyond just the how-tos, but gets into a little bit of the lifestyle, get to know me a little bit better, and get to think about some of the things that you can do with the actual profits that you're going to make when you start making money selling on Amazon. Hustlers, if there's anything I can do to help you, it would be my absolute pleasure. Please don't hesitate. Text the words working class hustler to the number you see on the screen, and I personally will get back to you just as soon as I can. I work a full-time job, but I promise
we will get to you. And if there's anything I can do to help, I'm there for you. I hope you guys are doing well. Love you all, and I'll see you in the next video.